Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a glider in Bee Swarm Simulator. First, understand that the glider is a crucial tool for efficient pollen collection and map traversal. It helps you reach high places and cover large distances quickly, making your gameplay much smoother. Getting one requires gathering certain resources and visiting a specific crafting station. To craft your glider, you'll need 3 main components: 50 pieces of wax, 25 pieces of super glue, and 10 pieces of microconverters. Wax is commonly dropped by enemies in fields and awarded through quests. Super glue and microconverters are rarer, often found in advanced zones or available for purchase at certain shops. Once you have all your materials, make your way to the mountaintop shop. Inside, you'll find the crafting station. Simply interact with it, navigate to the glider recipe, and confirm your selection. The crafting process is instant, and your new glider will be added to your inventory, ready for immediate use. With your glider equipped, you can now soar across the map, reaching new areas and collecting pollen with unprecedented speed. It's perfect for quickly moving between fields or escaping dangerous enemies. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced Bee Swarm Simulator experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.